Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add a stroke to any shape in Procreate. Let's say we have this shape of this little kids. First thing you need to go to layers, duplicate the layer, then create a new layer, a new empty layer between both of them and fill it with white color. Now you need to create a clipping mask and merge the layer down with the layer in the bottom. Now you need to go to Gaussian blur, increase the slider to 10%. You don't need more. Then go to selection tool, make sure color fill here is selected and automatic selection. Then go to your shape and increase the slider to the right to increase the volume, or to the left if you want, and select the volume you want. That's it. Very easy method. Now, before and after. Thank you so much.